Today's video is about how you can edit or resize a photo and a signature using any Android device. This will help you to change the image dimensions and its size, which is particularly important while we try to upload a photo or a signature while filling up an online application. As mentioned, you can use your Android device and need not use a computer for this purpose. While filling up an online application, there are a few guidelines which should be followed. Here we have considered that the photo should be of 300 into 300 pixel and the file size between 20 to 40 KB. The signature of 300 into 80 pixel and the file size between 10 to 20 KB. After you get an idea about the whole procedure, you can change the resolution or size as required. Here we have mentioned a few guidelines for your help. It states that the photograph should be clearly visible with a white background. You should not wear a cap or dark glasses to cover your face, and your eyes should be clearly seen without any reflection. The signature should be done with a black pen on a white paper, which should be clearly identifiable. Now let's move and see how this can be done. For resizing, you need an application called Photo and Picture Resizer. It can be downloaded from the Google Play Store. Just search for Photo and Picture Resizer. Here we have selected the first application for this video. You can use any one as you like and feel comfortable with. After opening the application, you are given two choices. You can either select a photo that is already in your gallery or can take a new photo. Here we are using a photograph that was already with us. The picture has a size of 941 KB and dimensions of 1836 into 3264 pixel, which is too large and needs to be reduced. Select the crop option on the top bar and then select pixel size crop. We define the width and height to be 300 into 300 pixels. It then presents us with a box of size 300 into 300 pixel, which we need to place at the appropriate position. Make sure to place your face at the middle of the box and press the save option on the lower left hand corner. Now we see that the dimensions match our specifications, but the file is more than that specified. So in order to change the file size, we need to save the file using a temporary file name. Here we are using the alphabet H as the file is of higher size. This will help us to easily identify the temporary file. Now we press the OK button and the name has been renamed and saved. Now we return to the previous page and select the picture that we have already saved after changing the dimensions. Your file size can be more or less than that of ours. If less and it matches the specification, you need not resize it any further. As in our file the size is higher, we need to resize it. We can resize it according to percentage, but it will also change the pixel size. So we are not going to change according to percentage, but will be using the height to width ratio. Select custom and mention the predefined size of 300 into 300 pixel. Thus, it is reduced to 22 KB, which is as specified. Thus, we are successful in resizing the photograph. So we rename it as final and save it. We are done with renaming and resizing the photograph. Now we move on to the signature section. To resize the signature, open the Photo and Picture Resizer application. Click on Select Photo to upload a photo that has been previously saved or take a new photograph using your camera. You can use a signature to edit it as shown above, or can select a picture with both your photograph and signature and edit it. We are showing the second option. You can crop your photograph from this signature and edit it as shown above, and can also edit the signature from the same file. Click the crop option on the top right and specify the dimensions to be 300 into 80 pixel. Then move the box over to the signature. Place the signature on the middle of the box. You can resize the box by clicking it with your finger and changing its size. The size of the box will change, but the predefined dimensions of 300 to 80 pixel are preserved. You can change the box according to the size of your signature. Then save the signature. The signature is now saved, having dimensions of 300 into 80 pixel and size of 11 KB, which is within our predefined range of 10 to 20 KB. So we do not need to change any further and save the file by naming it as final. Press OK to save the file. The signature and photograph are now according to the predefined specification. Thank you for watching this video from Self-Help Blog. Hope it helps you. Please subscribe and share this video.